Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, we're taking you through how to book Emirates flight ticket online. So, let's dive right in. There are two main ways to book your Emirates flight online. You can head over to their website at emirates.com or download the Emirates app on your smartphone or tablet. Both options offer a user-friendly experience. All right, now that you're on the booking platform, it's time to enter your travel information. Fill in your departure city and your desired destination. Select your travel dates, choosing between one-way or return flights. Don't forget to specify the number of passengers traveling, including adults and children if applicable. Emirates offers a variety of travel classes to suit your budget and preferences. You'll see options like economy class, business class, and first class. Each class comes with its own set of amenities and baggage allowances. Take a moment to browse the options and pick the one that best suits your needs. Once you've entered all your details, click on Search Flights. The platform will display a list of available Emirates flights matching your criteria. You can filter the results by price, departure time, arrival time, or even the duration of the flight. When you're happy with everything, proceed to checkout. Emirates offers a variety of secure payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and even Skywards miles for frequent flyers. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. Congratulations! You've successfully booked your Emirates flight ticket online. We hope this video helped you navigate the booking process with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.